Hey guys, these are some data prediction examples for 8.5D. We didn't make an example video for 8.11A because that was self-explanatory. So we're going to try to predict what this says here. The scatter plot shows the average daily temperature and the amount of money earned at a snow cone store. Based on the scatter plot, what is the best prediction of the amount of money earned if the temperature reached 95 degrees? So that's what we're looking for. Here's our temperature. So I'm going to draw a line up at 95 degrees. Okay. So that's what we're looking for. And they've already given us some data points. And so if we can draw through the middle of those points, we should be able to get our mark, if I can draw it on this thing. That looks pretty good. So based on this, we can see that A is $110, which would be right here. And if I drew that line over, I'm going to see that it's not going to hit at the right point. So I know it's not A, and I could have predicted it wasn't going to be A because I told y'all to mark off the smallest number, and you're going to see that we're also going to mark off the highest number. So we know it's going to be the two numbers in the middle. If we looked at 200 and drew it across, we can see it's not going to hit either, and we already marked that off. So now we know it's going to be between $130 and $150. So here's 130. And if I draw that over, I can see it's not going to hit right either. So it's going to be 150. Let's double check. Whoops. And it hits right on the line. So our answer is 150. Let's look at another one. Okay, this one says the scatter plot shows the relationship between the number of hours a person works out and how many calories they burned. So based on the scatter plot, what is the best prediction of the amount of calories someone would burn if they worked out for 30 minutes? So here's my minutes, and here's my 30. So I'm going to draw a line up because I know it needs to hit this line. Okay, and it says based on the scatter plot, what is the best prediction of the amount of calories they would burn if they worked out 30 minutes? So here's the calories burned, and we can see that the lowest number is 60, and we can see that that's probably not going to be it, and the highest number is 120. But let's just take a look. I'm going to draw the line differently this time. I'm going to draw the top line and a bottom line. Actually, no, I think I'm just going to draw it through the middle. Okay, so we have 60, we can see is going to be too small. And 120 we can see is too high. So that leaves us with our 2 in the middle, like I said. And let's see, 75 would be about, this is 70. Let's see, this one would be 75 right here. And we can see that's not going to work. But 90 is almost right there on the line. So I would go with 90. Remember, it's a prediction, and this is the closest one. Let's look at the next one. That's it. That is it. We did 2 examples. That'll do it. That's not your assignment. That's from last year. But if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.